How to fix files not showing in Files app on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix files not showing in Files app on iPhone. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So imagine you're using your Files app and suddenly whenever you need your document, it just isn't there. So to fix that problem, what we'll do is open up our files. After you're on your files, head over to the browse option at the bottom right. Then after you're on the browse option, tap on it again to just be on the initial page right here. Now, as you can see, there are different locations. So what I want you guys to do is check for your file in different locations. Sometimes you might have saved it on your iPhone, but it just gets saved in your iCloud drive. So check for it in your drive as well. And after you've made sure that it's not really there, what you might want to do is shut down for a few seconds. So just turn off your phone and then open it back up again. So just press the volume button and the power button together, and after the Apple logo appears, you can simply release it and your iPhone should shut down. Then you can restart it. Press on the power button to open it up again. Doing that should fix the problem as well sometimes. So after that, come back here, check the Files app and check if your files are there. If it's not there, go to your settings, open up your settings app, go to General. On General, you can scroll down all the way till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset All Settings and reset all of your settings. And that should fix the problem as well. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye and take care.